Guys, it's Saffire here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a platformer game in Make Code Arcade. So, we're gonna grab the set my sprite to sprite of kinda player, same as last time. Make a player or get one from the gallery. Grab the controller, move my sprite with buttons. Now, this time we're gonna click the plus. And then we're gonna go to the VY and we're gonna change this to 0 pixels. So now our player can't go up and down but can go side to side. There's a reason why we want this, and I'll show you later why. So let's go to the tile maps. Grab the set tile map to tile map. Go to the gallery, and there's already some levels made. I'll choose this one. And then, as you can see, we can't go up and down. We're in the middle. We don't want that to happen. So and the background's nothing, so we're gonna change the background to blue. Set background color to light blue, and then as you can see now it's light blue, but nothing's happening, and that's because we need to add gravity. So we're gonna make something called gravity, and we're gonna set gravity to 300. And we're gonna set my sprite X. We're gonna grab this and we're gonna change the X to AY, and we're gonna grab gravity and put it into tier. Now you can see him, and you can see how he just fell down. That's because we need a camera to follow him. So same thing as last time. Camera follow my sprite. Okay, that's good. Now how does he jump? He can't jump. So we're gonna grab the on A button pressed. Put it right here. We're gonna get some logic. Logic is sometimes hard for some people, but I'm really used to logic. The only thing that I have trouble with is arrays. So, if you want to learn about arrays, go check someone else out. I don't know how to do arrays. Anyway, so we're gonna grab from the scene the shoot, wrong one. We're gonna grab the is my sprite hitting wall bottom, and then we're gonna grab this. We're gonna copy it. We're gonna paste it, and we're gonna change this to VY. Get rid of this. Put it in the trash can, and we're gonna change this to 125. Now, if you check our game, nothing's happening, but I'll tell you why. Because it's not actually supposed to be 125, it's supposed to be negative 125. Now, let's check it out. Okay, you can see he's jumping, but he's not high enough, so we have to make that number bigger. Let's change it to 150. This should look better now. That's more like it. Now he's jumping around. He can do it. And as you can see, he can make it all the way up here. And then, let's say I accidentally fall down into the lava. Nothing happens. So we need to fix that. Because when you hit lava, the player should die and the game should be over. And we don't want that to happen. We want the game to end right there when we hit the lava. So right now we'll go to the scene and grab the on sprite of kind of player overlaps at lava at location. We're gonna grab the game over lose. Now let's check it out. I'm jumping around. There's some lava. Oh no, I accidentally fall in and the game is over. Okay, so that's good. But we want. What if we want to add coins to our game? Yeah, let's add coins. Let's go to the gallery. Maybe they have new things like coins already made. They don't have coins already made, but they have these. So maybe I'm gonna use this as a coin. I'll place one right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. Now let's go to them. Let's see what happens. As you can see, nothing is happening when I'm touching them. So we'll have to fix that. But I want to see if I can reach them all. Cause you better test your game. Cause sometimes you make your game impossible. And it's best to test it out and make sure that it actually works before publishing it and stuff. Anyway, so now to fix that problem with the coins, we're gonna copy this one, the lava one, and we're gonna change the lava into the little coin, and we're gonna get rid of the game over lose, and we're gonna go from info change score by 1. Okay, now let's test it out. Touch it, and as you can see, our score is going up a lot. We don't want that to happen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to scene again, set nothing at tile map 0 row 0. So we're gonna keep this to nothing, but we're gonna change this part. We're gonna change it to location. Now let's see it. Our player jumps, grabs a coin, and then boom, he gets a score. He has 1 point to his score. Now let's say we want to add noise. We might want to add like a coin bading noise, and there's already one of those. So we can grab the play sound bading until done. Now instead of doing this, we're gonna put in background because if we put until done, it'll pause the game until it's done. This should be good. See, it works. Now we should try to add the end because if we go all the way over there, go right here, there's nothing, there's no end. So we'll have to add our own tile. Go to my tiles, go right here, and there's already some tiles made for us, but we don't want one of those. We want to make a a um a flag. Anyway, so let's start off with the white. this. Then we'll make it bigger. Oh, highlight it again. That's weird. Let me try again. One last time. Okay, this is the last actual time. Okay, so that's not working. We'll just have to do it ourselves. Got a little red flag right there. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Grab this. Move it up. Add a little line down. Let's add a black for the base. And let's place it all the way at the end. And then we're going to copy the lava one again. We're going to change the lava to the flag. And we're going to change the lose to win. Now let's test it. Good so far. Okay. It's working so far, so good. Jump over that. Grab this cord, and we won! It works. Okay. Now I want to show you one of my old games I made. This one's called Dino Game. This is the code. Here's the code, and then here's the game. Survive as many seconds as you can. Cuts to the chase. It's a little dino. Your goal is to jump over the cactus. And when I hit a cactus, the game's over. And if you get hit, I show your best score using this piece of code. Use high score as best score. Anyway, now that was one game. I want to show you another game. This one's called Escape from Him. It's a game that I made. Um, it's supposed to be a horror game, so kids, if you uh want to play this, it's in the link in the description. It's not supposed to be too scary. It's just supposed to be a little bit scary. Now let's see it. Anyway, so there's a guy named Him. He spawns, and then that's him. That's him. So you run away, and you have to keep going and make it to the exit. By the way, the extension I used for this is the rate casting. Well, we will go over extensions and rate casting in the next video. That's weird. Oh no, oh no. I also added a map mode just in case for if it's too hard. Oh man, I thought I could do 360s on him and he wouldn't get mad. Hey, wait a minute. Score 6-7. 6-7. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye. Sapphire out.